Fitment 2004, 2003, 2002, 2001, 2000 1999, 1998, 1997, 1996, 1995, 04, 03, 02, 01, 00, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95 Tacoma. Features: rear exterior, outer part, textured black finish. Fits OEM part number 69090-35010, 6,909,035,010, 69090-35010. Fits Partslink number TO1915102. Warranty: 1-year limited warranty against manufacturer defect. We recommend that installation be done by professionals, as item will not come with installation instructions and we do not provide any installation troubleshooting assistance. Aftermarket OEM replacement tailgate handle. Rear exterior, outer part. Textured black finish. Made in Taiwan. Direct replacement. Built to strict quality control standards. We recommend that installation be done by professionals, as item will not come with installation instructions and we do not provide any installation troubleshooting assistance. Fits OEM part number 69090-35010, 6,909,035,010, 69090-35010. Fits Partslink number TO1915102. Fits model and year 2004, 2003, 2002, 2001, 2000, 1999, 1998, 1997, 1996, 1995, 04, 03, 02, 01, 00, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95 Tacoma. Top reviews from the United States. Fits 1999 Tacoma State Route 5. Took the tailgate apart myself. I'm a woman. Although when it came to the last 2 screws I waited for my husband to do that part. They already looked stripped so I wasn't gonna strip them further lol. Fits, works perfectly.